What if I tell you that this velvet fabric you see me holding here has been infused with hemming on and doll face satin? Yes, the last project I did with the velvet fabric, I only infused it with esteem, and believe me when I say it was really stressful. I tried this new method and I really loved the outcome. So basically what I did was just to place my strands of hemming gum on my doll face satin. If you have the wider width of the hemming gum, this should work better and even save you more time. So this is, I'm just trying to place the hemming gum on the parts where I'll be placing my velvet on. So you do this as much as you want for what you want to work with. I'll be placing my velvet on top of this hemming gum. I want to make this the velvet and the satin to become one piece. Okay, so I'm infusing the hemming gum on it to serve as my interface to help it stay put together, make it firm. You want to sprinkle some water if you're not making use of a steam iron. If you're making use of steam iron, you can skip this process, all right? So all you need again is just to place another piece of fabric, anything, just to cover up the velvet, so you don't iron directly on your velvet to avoid stories that touch. But if you know you can also go ahead, but I advise you place another fabric on it just to avoid the fabric getting burnt or anything or any stains whatsoever. The only thing I will say about this process, this method, is that it makes the velvet to lose its flexibility completely. Okay, once I was done, it was not looking as if I made use of a thicker fabric, maybe like a doll face Mikado fabric, but the shining effect of the velvet is still there. And you know, if you're working with maybe you're making a corset dress, you're making a structured blouse, this will help you maintain the structure you need for your top. And you know, it's easier to work with. So now this is what it looks like once I was done. So how were you able to control the flexibility of a velvet fabric the last time you worked on it? Please share with us on the comment section. Let's all learn. Thank you.